Everybody, this is Damien Earl Moore. Also, I got changed my YouTube name to the Flower Dragon, and I am camping on the Dawson Road in the Upper Peninsula. And check out this nice camper. Amazing, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have breakfast in a minute. I just woke up playing Godzilla 2 and just ignore the hammer. Um, let's see. Oh yeah, I'm with my uncle and aunt and cousin Abby. We're gonna enjoy around the Upper Peninsula for 4 days. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'm gonna go out.